Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll be seeing the recipe for mackerel curry or fish curry. You can see the ingredients I have. These are all the ingredients needed for making the fish curry. Mackerel is a tropical fish with many health benefits which I'll be sharing throughout as we go and make the dish. You can see I have tomatoes chopped, green chilies, the mackerel cleaned and cut into pieces, tamarind soaked, ginger garlic, curry leaves, cumin powder, chili powder. Here I am taking oil in a pan. It is best if you cook this in a clay pot, but today I am making in the steel pot. Here I have taken some fenugreek seeds for seasoning. As they splutter, we'll add some shallots and green chilies. Here I have some cumin seed also, curry leaves, green chilies, finely chopped. This is the Indian shallots, which is good for making Indian type of curries. I have got about 100 grams of it, peeled and chopped. So now let it saute a little, then I'll add some tomatoes chopped, 3 in number. This is finely chopped. This is the basis of all the Indian curries. Sometimes the seasoning may differ for different curries, but the basis of this is same. This is some ginger I'm adding, very finely chopped. Garlic finely chopped. Then allow everything to cook. Keep sauteing until it becomes like a gravy. Here I am having the dry ingredients: turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. You can add salt according to your taste. Chili powder 1.5 teaspoon. This is the Kashmiri chili, just for the color. This is the real chili powder, cayenne, 2 teaspoons. This is a spicy curry, so we need green chilies as well as cayenne. This is the coriander powder, 2 tablespoons. Keep sauteing it. I'm adding a little water. This is the tamarind soaked in the water, so I'm adding a little of that water. So now allow it to cook nicely. This is the tamarind paste I'm adding. there are different ways of cooking this curry. So this is the simplest way I'm doing it. I'm adding a little more water. And you can see it has taken a form of a curry. Now when it starts boiling, we'll add the fish pieces. Check for the salt. If you need to add some more, you can add it at the stage. Mackerel is a very healthy food. There's a lot of benefits. It's got omega-3 fatty acids, good for the heart. It is very good for the bones. It is very good for cognitive functions. It has got significant amounts of vitamin B12. It's good for muscle health, a rich source of protein. And this fish has got very low levels of mercury, because often most of the fishes have large amounts of mercury. This is not one of them. This fish is called ayla in south of India, in Tamil and Malayalam, and it is called bangda in Hindi and Marathi. So here I am testing the salt before adding the fish. This fish is mostly found in tropical climates. It is an excellent source of selenium. It helps in decreasing inflammation. So here I am adding the mackerel fish pieces, washed and cleaned. Some people fry it before adding. I don't do it. So this fish will cook in all the masalas and the gravy with onion and tomatoes and the tangy tamarind. And the final result, we get a good curry, tangy taste. It's a delicacy in south of India, eaten with rice, chapati, dosa, idli. Finally, here I am adding chopped coriander leaves or cilantro to garnish the curry. This is the final stage. It has taken about half an hour to cook with all the masalas and the onion, tomatoes, tamarind and all the ingredients. This fish is good to reduce the triglyceride levels. It has got plenty of vitamin D and it helps in the cognitive functions of the brain. It's a fatty fish with so many benefits. It's good for treating anemia. So here is the final dish. You can see the color and the aroma which only I can feel. It's a tangy dish, spicy, goes well with rice, which is a staple in south of India. This is a typical dish made in the south of India, especially in the state of Tamil Nadu. There are different types of making this dish in different states. This is just one of them, the simplest way. I hope you liked my video. Do share and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends. Try this recipe and let me know how it came. I'm sure you will love it. It's a very simple and quickly done dish. Try this and let me know how it has come. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.